Omu governor Simba Arati ntaliko visa. Now you are one on one. Umetu ntomanyite. Ase chinkwana chia of late, it's like you are not going to support Fred Okengo Matiang'i. You are in two-term camp, sindio? You go the two-term, I say two-term camp, right? Yes. But you are forgetting, in 2022, there are those of us, how in 2022, Mugavana, as a risk kanini ngosigete, you are my friend, even though ngaraga squeezy, atirende tigambi kama ngana wazi. In 2022, ntomanyete oyo konyete, nore nuko asiganga yao yobo governor bwa Kisii County. We know the role of Fred Okengo Matiang'i played in 2022. No manyete chisegitiri kuwa itirete 2022. No manyete you mwali korona maiso with the then governor mwenye alitoka kwa kiti mugavana James Omaribongwae. Oyo konyete is none other than Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Ningiyalete abantu bande bali kubuli birogo bakoraramika as Fred Okengo Matiang'i, because Fred Okengo Matiang'i nerolenge ministry ya interior akakobwate sana gutumia none chinguru chiri abwate muno omonene bwa ministry ya interior monene bwo borendi bwense agatumia none abaskari asija beterereti ko bwatesia asiganga yawo ko buli bugabana ase yarorokanite nga nkunereri bukare una kwari go claim nonyorete omonto fulani na atatenga bonyirango chabole gusi and but Fred Matiang'i akatenena bune ndugu yao. So we didn't expect you to be on the other side. Probably into kunyara komanya binto beyonce pi, there's a probability binto birimo kwa behind these things. But what is the perception outside there? The perception outside there is that you are anti-Fred Okengo Matiang'i. You are attacking Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Nekero ko attack abantu mbali bakoligereti ku chinsemo chisiko osi chinsemo chinde. And as you know, you are the deputy party leader of one of the biggest parties we have in Kenya, ODM. Na inde one ebicheli okosoki nera abantu the perception abantu nga kibawo koira. So no waka ama komo Fred Okengo Matiang'i. So what is the picture outside there? The picture outside there is Matiang'i is not acceptable at home. None governor hai temotageti Matiang'i gago pingwa ne governor ya Kisii almost ke Simba Arati. No matter mangana perception wise, no matter a perception na kiko ile bintu. So almost ke Simba Arati ngwa mochati no kwa tenga you are the one who consoled, you are the one who persuaded Fred Matiang'i agri saini ko base ga simeremeli ya kwa tekuru chinsemo chirichi ya America. Oh no. But perception iya abantu abanga bakurocenga umusaliti njente tekote paiga nde tyote ne nase offense it is you it was than nde tote ne kabisa no musimamo. And I think you are trying to confuse us because you are trying to kuboja maswali ya genuine and you are trying to say like yani we are grown up you intoroche bintu muna biko kora kana ground amangana yoko tatainga motuga rimoroche the united opposition yako mwa seningi it starts now not then. Toko nyora abantu bonsipi ase orogo moso asorogo ngororwa gusi ngobwate siabare Fred Okengo Matiang'i no net principle chiri babo gashagwa babo Kalonzo Musyoka babo Eugene Wamalwa na tembea abantu bali bonsipi ekero barocenga obomombore asorogo ngororwa gusi ase Matiang'i arwete nabo bakomwa okoboko it raises his bargaining power engake yoko tongaina at now you are waiting to see if the united opposition come wabale gento. We know what you are trying to do. What you are trying to do is no go sabotage Matiang'i erinde erokanenga ingango pingwale bamorine a ticket from the united opposition ekerabarocenga umuntu oyo ingatatakiri so that moto ali gitameronga mabona ndo abatebeti tairi ticket nekimutagete to support. It starts now. Stop lying to us. It starts now. Now ndio watu wanafaa kuona ya kwamba you are truly behind Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Usi yakulire usongongo kurere nyamira yakulire usi yonsipi ebwatete maiga yof mugaka Fred Okengo Matiang'i mwana bwiriraba. So Simba Paul Arati, stop playing with our minds. We are grown up, tuko na brains, we know the games we are trying to play. But anyway, I don't know. Njete tonga nse amabolia. Inki yako gera. Inki gesinyete boniga at you are waiting for a particular date. Ekero Matiang'i yako pronounced that nere otenete bono nere ubwate ticket ya United Opposition. You are lying to us, my friend. We are not stupid. Simba. We are not stupid. But anyway, ndete ngotenga. Ili tukongoza lile. Umugusiba ni ukwanire. Tariko ligere kiongozi kende gionse. Matiang'i no president yakolia. Simba no bugaba no kolia. There's no way mogweta naga. Yani hasta iyo moko chikorwa naga atibono nkobolia ale kirogo to keriota gite. No. Omoko ito nabagusiba nspi bachamo baba ribo elimo elinde to tene nyumano ito Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Na inde you support whichever party you support, ganya you support William Samoei Ruto, good. You support him as individual. Lakini atokota nga inki okurwa nilio mhano mino. You just remain silent. Yeah. Don't attack him. Why should you attack him? In fact, wako gendera iga nechi aba kongu it is unfortunate statement, but it's the truth. It's the reality on the ground. Na atali gusie gima nimete nona wono mugaba no Kisii. You have intelligence from the ground. Na atali that's a ground ekere maiga ya Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Neche bige tiro ekero ogenda tene campaign yo pinko mwana mbino Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Na ndineke ngeda ka ya mosebere njengo erere buna mangana as a ground, because I've tried to educate you. You know better than me, and but you don't want to admit. A ground ekere ase inseya Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Anybody who's going to go against umwana wiri wa Fred Okengo Matiang'i, including you are doomed to fail, and that's the reality, and you know that. I'm trying to remind you, and I'm trying to speak reality, because some of people working around you are unable to advise you on the same. Na kama wana ku advise on the same, why do you want to be a one-time governor? Ongwa ina a service. Why do you want to set an history? I know muntu wakere tuchikura aso bonge kabisa na wananchi pa Kisii County. Why do you want to be a one-time governor? Simply because I don't know, unaona nini hapo kwingine. But anyway, it's your choice. Nechebe getiro kabisa kwa kuendelea kupinga mwana wirira wa Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Nechebe egetiro kabisa kotetea ikiro kiago kyo gavana wa Kisii County. Kirago tabiri muno muntu wi ground kusema no muntu bwate tia chance. Abatuki, abasaki, abatuki, abanene kurwa se ground. Kurukenyenya mbaka masimba maate. Abagoteba Fred Okengo Matiang'i. So you usiengima Fred Okengo Matiang'i. You know the ground. I don't know ngimoko kamera ngote anga amo kamengombe inuka malinde gati inukama. But why do you keep on attacking him? Because yeah, na for presidency. Anyway, it is perception. Probably obuno wolimo lakini there is nothing more bangete, but perception wise you are under Fred Okengo Matiang'i nande kinaki abantu bakubunya. Nechibuni chiri okoreta usi na chitito abantu chichu atabantu chingesa abantu chibutolia abantu ime ya usi hiyo pia uangalie sana. Hiyo pia hiyo ngogo saliriele mono kigima igo njena gotebire una amuntu o represent a ground na kagoteba. It's 2027 next year. It's around the corner, and you can change our parish. You can change. You can have a U-turn. Probably. Abantu bara baise whatever nabuto wakerekwa. But for now, if things chiba buna chire sai na kongumwaka na kong jena otebi so ane kore na maiso ora na mato iwa ground ngaki apate kema mengi kwa vile maswali ya malitangani tiganjibiria lia Matiang'i mayoso ekije wounds kera. I think it's straightforward the things that we can have one-on-one discussion na nde yangu nyari kantonyole fora mwenene echinga kichinyingira bonko jibu itangani uwanja Matiang'i na mwanja tu onde tayo no embal muwe goranga bono kubwat muri Matiang'i rero aliga Kenya ekero na rwanire segi mpaka na muletire no anekera atata gitugoje ekera chichanda. I want to tell you one did do one interview can mumoja mumolete kana wako batebi what the discussion talk about, including injego koregas na Ruto to agambe na Matiang'i to iwananire ondenga my brother no embabo soro batebi
kibale gari ya serikali babwate roro mpaka chingaki chabene cheikire lakini tutigamangana yukuramana governor corregas ne serikali bono iga I can tell you without fear contradiction ngaki na tebire di tuko abantu aba united opposition yabane cheche bakorera Matiang'i and ito bapimete clearly no ane karon kwantu bosongo gali ngaki ayagashaba koko jabosonga tiga Matiang'i yako alike those were not my words ngaki na enko rama nga ba moko asiri ta renge gochero manyane tinda ito kuwa na mangana mange matinga kinga to basoko itara obolie se chingo ko chinyinge at the right time we'll be able to discuss enta ito ko basho ngaki onda among yourselves gaiga ora nyore ogo te ngwanji to Matiang'i no yo minto mono onde tayo mwanji to kumomkombwa lakini cheki no na bao kashagwa cheki no emba bo Kalonzo mbanya ko teiba kama na bamu abaru serikali watenga kendi yon skero ro kara keret and exactly that's what I've done